Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I am Mujri. Today we are gonna create our new year look. Sorry for voiceover, like all the videos I do voiceover because now even there's a noise going on. I hope you can't hear it, but as I started with like this, we're gonna do this video without a voiceover and there's too much noise near my places every time when I sit to film, and most of the time I film at night, like after 12 o'clock. Still there is someone, TV is on till like 4 o'clock, 3:30, like there is non-stop noise and it's banging, everything goes on in my this whole area. I don't know, everybody is very so excited and enjoyable, cheerful persons all around me, but they are not honestly. So by the way, let's get started without the delay. We're gonna do a new year look and I hope you all like it and enjoy it and learn from it, and comment down below what you want to see next. Like I'm already I have an idea roughly what I'm trying to do, but let's see if I can successfully pull this that off. If I can, then I'm surely gonna it will be live. So let's get started. I'm using the Neutrogena's Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock in SPF 15+. This is the most affordable and the best product I have found, in a one go. On got it in the Pink Friday sale and it was a good deal. Not this Pink Friday sale, it was when it was in June, July or yeah, when it was June, July, that time I bought it. Take the amount, how much you need, and let's just blend this. Sorry, not blend this, apply it on your skin, and it doesn't leave the white cast. It is a little bit not sticky. I don't know what its formulation is so good. Not too sticky, not too a cream that is going on. Doesn't leave the white cast, and this is the best product. But when you are going out, always apply sunscreen because it's so important. We don't understand it, but later on we do. Most affordable product, but if you I think this is a little bit height and it looks rich and the sassy look because of the theme. But honestly, if you use the Pond's cream, I will pop a picture here, the old school Pond's, with the dhakkan, with the white dhakkan and blue stripe on it, and I still use that, and that's the best moisturizer ever. It is so creamy, it moisturizes your skin, it stays on your skin. So let's move on to the next product. Don't forget your primer at any cost. You can use, if you are not happy with but if you don't have the budget to buy Nykaa's primer, then you can also buy this Insights primer. It's pretty much does the same job. I'm just gonna apply it near my nose and over here, my nose, because this is the most problematic area. And if you don't use an eyeshadow primer, then use your face primer and you're good to go. Now let's move on to foundation. Okay, this is a dewy foundation and works amazing. If you have seen other videos of mine, you know what I do. Spray a little bit of setting spray on my beauty blender. You can use a wet beauty blender by spraying it with water, but I prefer it with a setting spray. It just works better, I feel. By the way, I'm really sorry that I didn't upload it for so many days in the middle, last few weeks, because all my drafts got deleted from InShot, as well as my shorts got deleted from Instagram and Instagram draft, and I really don't know how to fix that. Anybody who's watching really know about all this text and everything. I've searched everywhere, but there is nothing information available about the draft, how it gets revised or anything. So I am very honestly I really guys, drafts do get deleted from InShot also. Like that's where I edit my video, and I edited a video like if you have seen my last video, it was there that is coming soon. The something cut crease look, but I edited that video. I wanted to upload it on after the Christmas day, but sad, it got like in the morning, no sorry, in the afternoon I edited it and everything was ready, just baki thi upload karna. Oh my god, the next time when I opened the app and there is no draft, literally that draft is deleted. I'm like, how this can even happen? How is it even possible? Always take your foundation near your hairline, so that there is like if you like create, if you don't blend it right over here, and if your real skin is can be seen, it looks awful. So always blend everything in like this. Let's move on to concealer. Yeah, I will be using concealer. If you want to spray it once again, you can do it. My one is wet enough to like blend. By the way, what are your plans for New Year? Like, I don't have any plans. I have my exams going on. In like 4th of Jan, I have my exam, and I really don't know. I haven't prepared anything, and it's stressing me out that I haven't prepared anything. Okay, my inner corner doesn't get blended with this big beauty blender, so I'll just take my finger to blend it. This is a very optional, like if you want to highlight, you can. If you don't want to, skip it. It just looks fine without even highlighting. It's not necessary. And when you are applying concealer, always remember to look down, just look down, and your eyeballs like should be like up, so there is no lines over here, and it gets blended very well. When you are applying the powder also, loose powder or compact, always do this trick. This is the best trick I have found, and it works amazing. It doesn't creases. I have like lines going on over here, and that's why I was like, what should I do, how it should work, and this is the way it works amazingly. I'm using this Fit Me Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 25 Medium Moen. I'm really sorry. I'm not going to bake because during the winter times it doesn't crease much, but during the summer, oh my god. If you have a compact powder, you can use your compact powder. But I don't have any such compact powder. I have only loose powder. I don't know when, like this Instagram Reels part, it will be like fixed. This bug is really annoying. Last day when I like fighting videos I did, and it was in a draft, and the next day it was gone. And it doesn't feel good. Like, and if you like put a feedback and report to they email them or something, they're like negligible. They don't do anything. I know there are like, I'm not blaming Instagram that they don't read our mails and everything, they don't fix bug. I know they're fixing something else probably, but this is too much. Like all the drafts are like going, this is so demotivating also at the same time. This powder, like, let's just talk about a little bit of lines, like laugh lines. We get lines over here. Some of them, like when they do like this, they get lines over here. So anywhere you get too much of lines, don't try to apply foundation or like concealer too much over their face. Just take the beauty blender and like, if you have putting your foundation over here, don't try to apply it direct over here. Just blend everywhere, and the product यहाँ पे left to आया ना, over ऐसे करके. I'm going to use this Becca Face palette also. I always use Nikake's palette, and they are not like super pigmented like James Charles or like Jacqueline. I know Jacqueline Morphe's are like launching over here and there. You can get them, but they are like the best things I have got like in 300 and 350. They are all under 400. And in Nykaa पे तो like discount चलती रहती है, expenses. Go and like check it out. Okay, I applied a little bit of concealer on my eyes also, and you don't need to set it because I will immediately put the eyeshadow powder eyeshadow. So it's just gonna be like वो fix हो ही जाता है, cream product powder से fix हो ही जाता है, so you don't have to like fix it. I applied Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade 04. I'm going to use this darkest color from the palette Mars. And let's take a little bit because this particular color is very pigmented. We're gonna apply it on the outer corner. Now I'm going to take a little bit over here, not all over the eye, just over here, like on the crease. Fine, and that's it. We're done with this eye. Starting from the crease, and this is your crease. This is your crease. This is what you will see. This is your crease. This is your crease line. Brush over here. Don't try to drag over here because you're going to not do this whole part. You're not going to put this color over here at the beginning. So you're going to like take it right in the outer corner and bring that color up. Take the excess off like this. Blend it till your hand pains, okay? And rag it right over here. Okay, the color is going to transfer over here, like it's gonna come, but it's okay. But don't rag intentionally like in the inner corners, like all over the eyes. Don't do it. I'm taking this blending brush and taking the excess off. Now we have to do this little part of that. From the palette, oh honey, we are going to use this we're going to take that blending brush and now this brown color and this golden color got mixed together and they are not sitting like that. I have applied one and I have applied another color. Quickly I will apply my eyeliner and come back. Back with the eyeliner I'm going to use the... I don't know if you can see or not how sharp the look is. I really don't know, but it gives that like a pro eye look. After you open your sellotape, there's gonna be a mark, so make sure you mix that. If you want to set a little bit off with your powder also, you can set that, okay? gonna apply this Nykaa's mascara. Honestly, this mascara was like, see it. It gives an immediate change. It just creates your lashes. It does do the lengthening part and also separates your lashes right there. As we get for the new year, so we should contour, right? Why not? Because new year. It is new. And I'm using the Sugars palette from 01 Subtle Summit, this contour face palette. I love this contour. And please don't crack it. It's gonna look horrible. It's really bad. A little bit difficult to blend, so try to blend it super fast. See, there are like marks, so make sure you blend it very well. We're not going to forget highlighter in New Year's. Okay, highlighter is very important for New Year. We should be glowing like stars in New Year. Okay, so this. If you have seen my, so I haven't uploaded that, sorry. Let me take like this. Can you see the glow? I really don't like doing my eyebrows. I just like to. There's so much of product on my eyebrows. I like to take it out like this. And I'm gonna take my eyebrow pencil. This is from Nykaa's Brow On Point Micro Fine Pencil. And I'm gonna brush it like this. When you see this much is drying up over here, already is drying up, take your beauty blender and blend in like this. Go in everywhere, like everywhere. Don't want your product on your eyebrows, so don't dab it on your eyebrows. Just so you know. And you're done. And that's it. And this is Nykaa's lipstick in the shade 50, and each and every product, I know I haven't seen it, everything will be linked below in the description, so don't forget to check it out. And this is the final look of the new year, wishing you a very happy new year. And don't forget to like, share and comment down below what you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. So happy new year and bye, see you soon.